Hey guys, today I have this makeup look right here. It's a little bit more on the bolder side, but totally still subtle and wearable. I'm also going to be using all the products from this month's Boxycharm for the month of January. I was so in love with this box. You guys will see in just a second. You get all these goodies in here. We're going to go ahead and start off with the first product in this box for the skin today. We're going to do the skin first. I'm going in with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. You guys, when I opened up my Boxycharm this month and I saw that, I was freaking out because Tatcha is a high-name brand and I absolutely love their water cream. So for using this as the mask prior to makeup, I knew already right off the bat it was going to be amazing. So we're going to go ahead and pop this right out of the package and apply it onto my skin. It is a sheet mask and it is like saturated with all that good stuff, you know? So as soon as it gets onto your skin, obviously it is wet and it does feel super cooling. And the residue after this mask is on for about 10 minutes leaves your skin feeling so rejuvenated, so supple-like, and like just ready for makeup. Obviously you can do this at night. So once it's soaked into the skin, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the mask and then gently rub it into my skin, all of this excess residue, which is all of the good stuff from Tatcha. We don't wanna literally lose a drop because it is that good. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub this all over my skin, keep on rubbing till it absorbs into the skin. And I found this being an amazing like primer, I guess you can say, for our foundation. Like it made my skin look so good. So I cannot wait to use the other one and it is just amazing. So if you guys do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a subscription box. We are getting 5 full-size items every single month for just $21 a month. It is so worth it. Just like this product alone, Tatcha is pretty expensive, so for you to get high-name brands, it is incredible. I'm going to leave a link down below where you guys can go ahead and check out Boxycharm. Now I'm taking Tarte Shape Tape to go ahead and prime up my lids. Go ahead and lightly blend that in using a sponge all the way up to the brow bone. And then I'm going in with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette that did come in this Boxycharm as well, which I was super happy about. This palette is all neutral tones. I'm going to go ahead and take the lightest one to go ahead and blot down and kind of set down the base, I guess you can say, which is the color Tiki, which is a nice beige one. Then I'm going to go in with the darkest color called Malibu, which is a brown with a tiny bit of shimmer, and we're going to pop that into the outer corner. So the only time I ever put a shimmery color to the outer corner on the eye is when I'm using shimmers only on the eye to kind of make it look like it's a, I guess you could say, glowy eye look. I know a glossy look is definitely an eye look people do, but I'm doing more of just like shimmer. So you don't have to do it this way. You can use the bronzer there if you would like, but I'm going to go ahead and pop this on the outer corner, kind of creating a V and just really keeping it to the outer section of my eye. And then I will go in with a lighter color on the lid area. Keep on building up that color on the outer section to my desired look. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the color Heat Wave, which is a beautiful champagne color in this palette, and kind of use my finger to warm it up a little bit and apply it to my lid. I love anything champagne like this, so I'm going to go ahead and pop that into the center and gently blend into the outer section and just keeping it on my lid. And then I'll also be applying this color into my inner corner area just to kind of brighten things up a little bit. And then I'm going to go in and keep mixing it with that color as well with the color Jewel, which is a nice gold color. Kind of mixing both those colors together, and then I will go ahead and gently apply just the color Jewel to more of the center area, which is more of that gold. So it just kind of ties in all of these shades throughout the entire look. Like I said, this look is super simple and very easy to achieve, but I just love how it's all shimmer, so it kind of makes your eye look bright and just very glowy, which I was going for that look. I just love that look, so we're going to go ahead and apply it to my desired area, taking a fluffy brush to kind of blend in any of those edges on the eye up to the brow bone and keeping it all nice and bright. I'm just going to go in with that lighter color again and a brush and apply it into the inner corners, kind of by like the bridge of my nose area to really brighten things up and just give a little bit more of additional glow and shimmer right there on both sides and a little bit on my brow bone. Another thing that came in the box that I thought was really cool is this Briogio conditioning leave-in spray for your hair. So I am going to show you guys a little close up. I'm going to take a crease brush and a tiny dab of bronzer and apply that right into my crease area, really just windshield wiper motioning it, like nothing too serious, just to kind of blend it all together. I'm going to go ahead and do that and then apply a little bit more of that brown shade from that Tarte palette onto the outer corner and really just mesh it all together. Next up that came in this box is the Starlooks liner. I'm going to go ahead and apply this black eyeliner onto my lash line area, super close to my lashes, and then a little bit below into my waterline, but I will do that part later. So today I'm just going to be doing a tiny bit, kind of messily, I guess you can say, onto my lash line area, not making a really defined line or precise at all, just kind of smoking this, and I really love that look of it looking a tiny bit messy. And then I'm also going to be applying it into my inner waterline at the bottom just to kind of make it look more together and seamless. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a brush and kind of brush away any of those edges to make it look a little bit more messy, like I guess you can say, and just kind of smoke it out a little bit more. For the face today, I'm going in with my Makeup Forever MAC Velvet Skin Foundation in the shade Y305. I absolutely love this. You guys, it went on my skin so great. I'm convinced because of that Tatcha mask. It was so amazing. I'm also going to be mixing a little bit of the Becca Skin Love foundation in the shade Driftwood with this one, with this sponge, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it all together. Absolutely love the finish, absolutely love the color, and it just makes my skin look so good. Like, I was super impressed and super happy with the way my skin felt and looked. I'm going to go ahead and disperse it everywhere. I spritz my face with MAC Fix Plus as well, just to kind of give a little bit more luminous feel, and we're just going to blend it everywhere. For a little bit of concealer today, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape as per usual in the shade Light Medium, placing just a little bit underneath my eyes, my forehead, a little bit on my chin and bridge of my nose, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend this in with that same sponge. I'm obsessed with this sponge. You guys already know it is the Juno & Co. Microfiber Sponge. Obsessed. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this in. Then to go ahead and further blend out the underneath section of my eye, I like to do that after I apply my concealer just to kind of get everything back into place if anything was moved with the concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with that same brush. Then taking my trusty Laura Mercier translucent powder, we're going to go ahead and set the under eyes as well as using the powder puff, which I absolutely adore. Then I'm going to go ahead and dust any of the excess powder away with a large brush. For a bronze and a little bit of a quick contour, I'm taking Benefit Hoola Bronzer and this fan brush to go ahead and apply it into my cheekbone area and the areas I normally contour and add a little bit more of that bronzy glow. So my forehead, cheekbone area, right sides of the nose, a little bit on the chin, you know, all those spots. I'm going to go ahead and give it a little bit more color. A little bit of color back onto the skin. I'm taking the e.l.f. Modern Metals palette, and I'm going to take this middle shade right at the bottom, which is a beautiful mauve-ish kind of blush. I'm going to go ahead and apply that right into my cheek area, blending it up into the contour, and it just gives a beautiful flush color. I absolutely adore it, and I'm not a blush wearer, but I love this. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with this fan brush as well. I'm taking the Pixi Glow palette and I'm mixing a little bit of these shades right over here. For my highlight today on this Real Techniques brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my cheekbones. I absolutely love the way this melts into the skin. It makes it look like such a natural glow, and it just looks like your skin is seriously so healthy. To finish off the eyes, I'm taking the Salon Perfect 614 lashes, which are my holy grails. I seriously swear by them, and some CoverGirl mascara. So go ahead and pop that on my eyes. Then I'm taking that eyeliner that we used before, which came in this Boxycharm as well. I'm going to go ahead and tight line my eyes and just fill in any of those sparse areas. And then coating my lashes, I'm taking CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara to go ahead and gently put it on my lashes as well as my lower lashes. Then I'm going to be doing some last little finishing touches with the highlighter as well as those lighter shades in the Tarte palette on my eyes, just to kind of emphasize all those areas. Now for my lips, I'm going to be doing a bold lip color, which came in this Boxycharm as well. This one is Ofra lip color in the color Havana Nights, which is a beautiful, like deeper, almost like a burgundy color. It's pretty much red, but it's a very deep, bold color. I absolutely adore it, and I don't personally wear bold colors, honestly. So when I do rock a bold look like this on the lips, I do like to have the eyes being super simple and at least having the skin looking healthy. So I do want to keep it kind of like that on the rest of the face and then keep the lips pretty bold. And yeah, like I said, I'm using all the products from this Boxycharm, so if this is not your type of look, you can totally switch it out for one of the colors that you guys want to rock, but I'm going to be using this color today. So I'm going to put this all over my lips, and that will pretty much complete the entire look. So that is pretty much it for this makeup look and tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe found it a little bit helpful. Of course, you can wear this for like a date night or a kind of daytime makeup and then swap it out for this darker lip color for nighttime, or however you guys want to rock it. I totally think it is a wearable, kind of simple, bold look. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and be sure to check out Boxycharm. I will leave it linked down below for you guys, and I believe that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.